Hey everybody, it's your lovely Lotus Blossom Lizzie, and I am out in my 9B Central Florida garden in the sun, taking one for the team so I can show you all some things that I got that are garden and harvest related. And so this is going to be a little bit of a haul video, and I also have some seeds in here too that I wanted to share with you all. So first of all, let me say thank you to everybody who has subscribed, and if you haven't subscribed already, you can go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up for fantastic stuff for the garden. So when I did my canning inventory, there were a few things I was kind of missing that I wanted to get, and I'm still missing a few items, but I ordered some, and one of them was this ladle. And this ladle holds, I believe, like a half pint, and it also has like this little gadget on the back. And this is not sponsored. I purchased all these items myself, and I'll have links below. But I wanted to have like a proper canning ladle so I can like clip things on the side of the pot and it just be easier. And also it's made kind of slim, so you can kind of dip in and get all the stuff out and all that good stuff. All right, so that we got the canning ladle. And also canning related, I got another tray for my Presto canner so that I can double can things. So if you haven't seen the inventory video, the canning inventory and supplies, the things that you need to can with or harvest, you know, to save your harvest basically, I'll have a link below to that video as well. So I only had one of these, so now this will allow me to stack the jars inside of the pressure canner. Next, I got this hat, you all, because I've been looking for a hat. Y'all, I have a big head. I don't have like a little lady's head. So I had to find a hat that would fit me. And probably about 2 weeks ago, I got a smidge of a sunburn, because yes, y'all, black people can burn just like lighter skinned people. And it was like on the back of my neck. So I wanted to get like a hat specifically for gardening. So again, this is not a sponsored video, but I really like this hat a lot. So there's a few things about this hat. So let me just show you a little bit. So it has like a really good coverage on it, and right here is venting, and you can see in the back it comes down, but you can also button it up so it can be off of your neck. I'll probably just keep mine down because I kind of like that feature where it's kind of down. This will actually make a fantastic beach hat as well. And then it has an adjustable strap. And one more thing, it's adjustable in the back. And if you have a ponytail that you would like hanging out, it also has a place in the back where your ponytail can hang out. So usually when I'm in the garden, I try to wrap my hair up because ain't nobody got time to have dirty hair. So I'm gonna put this hat on right now. Y'all, it probably would fit even better if I didn't have all the scarfage and stuff on, but you know, this is how we roll. So y'all kind of like this. Y'all like that? So I watch a channel called Angela's Busy Bees, y'all. I got a garden crush on her. She does a market garden, and she bakes and she sells the items that she has out in her garden, which is pretty cool. So one thing that she was sowing was some beans, and they're called the strike bush beans. So it's a green bean, and y'all love green beans. I could eat green beans every single day. So I wanted to try these, and I got it from a place called it's called Paul's Garden Supply. It came pretty quickly too, so I've never grown the bean yet, so I can't recommend it just yet, but if she recommended it, I think it's probably a good bean. And then they also gave me a free seed pack, and this is some parsnips. Now y'all, I always feel ungrateful when it comes to the free items that I get, because I'm like, why'd they give me parsnips? It's a root vegetable, and I'm sure I have to do it during when it's cooler outside. Y'all never really gets that cold here, but I'm sure there's people that grow the parsnips. I'm just gonna have to learn how to do it and quit being a little whiny baby about it. And then they also gave me a coupon that I can use for $2 off of orders over $10 excluding shipping. So that's nice of them. So Paul's Garden, and they put a little thank you note on their inside with their package. So kind of cool. Those beans, so I'll be sowing those pretty soon, because y'all know I'm all about the backup crop these days. And then Bobby sent me some of her seeds, because we do a little seed swapping as well. And so she sent me some things that would be beneficial to my garden, and she just made a copy of it. These obviously came from Baker's Creek, and this is some cilantro, and it's slow bolting. So definitely, if I got that for a free seed, that would be wonderful. Well, technically, this is a free seed because Bobby sent it to me. So she sent me quite a few seeds. So cilantro slow bolt, but I'll probably plant this at the end of the summer anyway. And then she sent me orange hat tomatoes. Y'all, she sent me like 5 seeds. I'm gonna plant like 2 of these. Because they're like kind of like Tom Thumb tomatoes, and I want to try those. And then she sent me some Kikuzi gourds, and I'm definitely gonna put those in. I have to think about where I'm gonna put them at here, but y'all, I'm like the queen of getting stuff in this garden. You know what I'm saying? She also sent me some Degato peppers, but she didn't send me the paper that went along with it, but that's okay. I can figure it out, Degato peppers. And she sent me some long beans. So Taiwan yard long beans. So I've never tried these. Y'all look at the beans. They always show like these people with fantastically overgrown vegetables. So that I'm gonna try these long beans. So I'll be planting those soon also. So those are all the ones that Bob sent me. Thank you, Bobby. Now, I made an order to Baker's Creek. It was a small order. Now I'm all dried out. Okay, so the first one that I have here is the moonflower. Y'all, I didn't do no research on this. I was just like, I want the moonflower. But then once I started doing the research after I got it, I don't know if I want to plant that or not, or where I'm going to plant it at. But I have the moonflower. I also got some more carrots. I got the black nebula carrot, which I will probably put in after I harvest the carrots I already have. I'm not going to plant any more carrots right now. And I got some more purple dragons because I'm on empty, and I just wanted to make sure I have them when I need them, because I'll always sow carrots. Next, we have some lemon balm. I had lemon balm last year. Y'all planted every single seed because I overseed every damn thing, okay, last year. Well, I overseeded everything last year, but this year I'm being a bit better with the way I'm planting things. So I killed my lemon plant last year, my lemon balm plant. So I'm gonna plant another one because y'all, this makes fantastic tea. And then this one is what I'm most excited about, and that is some cucamelons, or Mexican sour gherkins. And y'all, I'm gonna plant this right away. If anybody planted this, can you tell me how many plants you planted? Because I feel like when you look at the bushes that people have planted, I feel like you have to plant a few to get those bushes. But then I'm thinking probably 1 plant would be enough for my garden. But y'all, researched, I looked, and I couldn't. People tell you how to plant it. People will show you the big old bushes, but nobody says like how many actual plants they have. So if anybody can give me some information on that, I would appreciate it. And then the free seed that I received is this Benny Hussein Mitsuna. And this is like a Japanese green, and I'm definitely going to be trying this one out. It looks like it would be a nice green to have, and it's heat tolerant as well, because I did some research after I got it. I've never heard of it before, but y'all know me, I'm gonna find a spot to grow this. So I got all these seeds. So as Broke Farmer would say, thumbnail. So I got all these seeds, and y'all, look at the packaging from Baker's Creek. For a while, they had stopped putting, you know, the seeds in beautiful packages. I think because, you know, it was a supply chain thing, but I love their packaging, and y'all, I'll definitely save it. And I don't know what I'm gonna use it for, but I'm kind of hoardy that way. So I'm gonna use it. So I got all of this stuff for the garden and for my harvest. This is shot number 2, and it is actually the next day. And me and my mom went thrifting today. So I found some things from my garden, which I want to say I don't find a lot, but as you all have seen in previous videos, I do find quite a bit of things for the garden on the roadside, and also in the thrift store. So I wanted to add this to the haul video. So let me show you what I got. So I got 7 of these nice pots right here, and as you can see, I got them for $2 each, and I thought that was a steal, because you can't really get terracotta pots for $2. They are small pots, but I'm thinking I could put something small in these. I think they will be fine, and I'm thinking to put them on my new planter. So you can see I put one there. I just have some plants over here, but and you have seen me kind of putting this together, but not completely. And I love these little pots. So I have 7 of them, so I'm thinking I could put 4 at the bottom and then 3 here. But in any case, I got 7 of those. I also got this jammy right here, and it is metal. I think it is a ice chest, which I don't need an ice chest. Y'all, I love the color of this, and it would make a beautiful addition to the garden. So, you know, she's gonna be putting some holes in there, and we're gonna use this in the garden. So it's nice and big. You can see I have these pots sitting in here. And then I also got another trowel, and yes, it is very rusty, but y'all, this must be an old-timey one. The handle is in a superb shape, and so we don't care if it's rusty to use it out in the garden. So I decided to pick that up too, and I got that for $1 at the thrift store. But y'all, don't forget, I'm going to be putting out some new garden diaries in a few days, so make sure that you subscribe so that you'll see the garden diaries. And I purposefully made the garden tours as short as I could, so you can go through and quickly see what I got going in the garden. But the garden diaries will show you how I'm doing things. So you definitely want to subscribe for that. And I love to hear comments. Anybody growing the cucumber melons, give me some info, y'all. Give me some info. And with that, I'll see you garden tools later. Bye.